What's up, legends? So in this video, we are going to be understanding that how we can use Google AI Studio to actually create infographics. You just dump the information and it is going to be creating the infographics for you. So how to do that? Let's quickly jump into it. So here I took my, for example, I took my this particular YouTube tutorial where I am mentioning that how you can connect your Google through N8N. Your Google entire workspace is connected in just one step. I just picked the URL of this particular video and I dumped it at two places. First is in Gemini. So you can see over here, I gave this prompt, analyze deeply the content of this video, and I pasted the URL of my YouTube. So what it did is, because it had some timestamps, it actually scraped these timestamps and provided me the transcription basis on that. And right now, it does not have the capability to read or analyze the YouTube content directly through URLs. So that's what it mentioned. And once it provides me the transcription, I asked it to generate an infographic, turn this transcript into a cheat sheet with key takeaways and final output into this particular ratio. And this is what it gave me, which was okay. But then going again, I gave it another prompt using the same prompt, and this is what it gave. And this is something really wow. So because if you have been using Gemini previously for generating your infographic, it was not actually capable of providing you correct spellings and everything. The visual was not so clear. But now with the launch of Nano Banana Pro Gemini 3, you can see everything is crystal clear, just like a designer would do. And it has given a step-by-step tutorial. And what I'm gonna be doing from here is I can just simply like pick this up and post it in my LinkedIn and ask it to write a LinkedIn post for this infographic, and it is gonna be creating me a post on that, and I can simply manually post it over there. Second thing which I want to show you guys is that notebook LLM. So what I did is I added this particular URL, YouTube URL of my video over here, and it generated the whole takeaways from the video. Now again, if you look at the right side, the infographic over here is in beta mode. So I tried that, and this is what it gave me. Even after being in beta mode, if you ask me, out of these, either this or that, I would like to go ahead with this one because this is minimal and intact, and just my preference. I don't say that this is bad, but yeah, this is more minimal and exactly to the point. So I would go ahead and I can use this. Again, this is under the beta mode right now, and what we can do is simply click on the download button over here and download it, and I can ask Gemini to provide me. For example, if I want to post this, what I'm going to do is create me a LinkedIn post caption for this info. So now you can see it has given me the LinkedIn post, and whichever option 1 and option 2 you can choose, and it has given us 3 options, and we can just simply copy it and paste it on my LinkedIn along with this, and I would give the URL of my YouTube tutorial where people can hop in if they want to watch the video. But at the same time, they can also refer to this infographic, because what it is mentioned over here in step by step, it is exactly what I have done in that particular tutorial. And those who would prefer a video tutorial over an infographic would simply click on the YouTube tutorial on LinkedIn, and they can land onto my YouTube tutorial. So that's the magic, and that's the more enhancement being done on Gemini when it comes to the infographics and stuff. Because you can see on the left side, I have been generating a lot of PPTs for my brands and stuff, for a lot of insiders. Like you can see, I keep on generating a lot of slides on Gemini. But yeah, you can see over the text over here earlier was not so clear. You can see the spelling mistakes and stuff, it was there. But now with this upgrade, it has got us here, and that's the easiest way and the quickest way to actually generate infographics.